So you guys, today we're vlogging, you feel me? Hey.
You want to taste?
No, I'm good. See the dog. Let's see the dog. Bro, I feel like I'm living in Thailand, man. Like, damn. Just finished eating. My stomach's so full, man. Inside it was already hot, and now I'm outside. 10 times harder. I don't know, man. I can't think right now.
Oh, you know how?
Taking so long. Yeah. Ooh. Slipped.
Ôi.
Cô ta xí. Mà là nhà cô chị. Gì mình ta là mù ra.
We're at some Asian market.
No, where's it?
Next stop. I don't know what this is.
Mặc quần bà đúng không? Ok, phó ra rồi, kiểu anh này.
I don't even know how to use chopstick. Chopstick is better.
I'm at it.
Lagi.
Say hi.
Lagi.
Say hi. Don't say hi then. Doogie doogie. Whoa, 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 whoa. Is this your dog?
No,
Your
this
dog?
is not my dog.
Your dog?
No, that's not.
Your dog? This is your dog?
No, no. That's her.
Oh, bro, just walking, I'm sweating. This dude is already complaining, bro.
Oh my god, I'm
And he lives in the US. I live in Canada.
Nah.
About to go play ball, man.
It's crazy.
Right now, we're just trying to find that basketball place, man. I want to play ball so bad. I miss playing it. We found a basketball player, bro. We'll be playing some horse. I'm not going to film the whole thing, man. Oh, half court? Oh. Oh, bro, that made it. Oh, shit. Yeah. Stress. No! Oh, I finally made a shot in. First shot of the day. Ooh, let's go. Vale. Oh. Ooh, you made it in finally. Let's go. Wow, there's still like. Oh shit.
Oh shit.
You're up. You lost. Our ball is stuck over there and trying to get it. Shit. Right there. Oh shit! Oh shit! Yo, you good? Damn, yo, I played horse 2 games in a row and I lost both of them. Wait, did you win one?
Yeah.
You win one?
No.
We're both trash. Oh, I'm sweating. Oh, you know what? After playing that, shit, it's actually cold.
Yeah. Cold. Yeah. Probably.
Your boy's so tired.